You very much. Tuning back, friends. We had good week only in terms of the right predictions were there that people could gauge well. Uh, I had issued so many videos over the weekend that this is how I expect the markets to move, and people have benefited a lot. I explained that a major sell-off is coming. It did come. People have benefited a lot. Yet there are many people who have not been able to watch my videos. Now I'm getting their uh, views that they lost a lot of money, but I had warned. That's why I request all my subscribers, YouTube, please forward my videos to whoever you feel could be finding it useful. I'm trying to reach as many people as possible that they can benefit from my ideas. Once again, request you all to please forward wherever or in WhatsApp groups or wherever you feel it can be useful to people. People have made a lot of money this week. They have lost a lot of money this week as well. Those who could not reach. Again, all credit goes to all the subscribers in the YouTube and also to my participants in the Art of Investing program. Entirely, you get all the credit. Whatever we could tell this week, and so many predictions all were right. So entire credit goes to all of you. 100%, nothing to me. 0% to me. As far as my predictions forward from here are concerned, for today, people are asking me this question: that do you see any positivity after such a brutal sell-off that we have seen? Some positivity I see between let us say 9:20 a.m. and 1:10 p.m. 9:20 a.m. and 1:20 p.m. I see some steadiness and positivity in the markets in the Nifty. Particularly the period of quarter to 1 to 1:10 should be quite good. This is my general impression in the markets. Be little careful because it comes on the back of a a rather difficult week. So don't go out of the way in making huge positions. You can just observe it also. But in general, this is my prediction or feeling that this period should be reasonably good, steady, positive for the Nifty, 9:20 a.m. to about 1:10 p.m. This is an answer to people asking me any areas of positivity or pockets of positivity they're calling. There may be others as well. I'm just trying to briefly address what quickly I could analyze and give to you. Do your own analysis also. Those who are joining or wish to join the Art of Investing program, we will be discussing mainly two things. One is where the markets are headed from here. So over 1 week, 2 weeks, 6 weeks, 1 month, so on, how the markets will be. Secondly, we are going to talk about the good places to invest in. All this in great detail. A lot of people are joining only to learn the methodology of predictions that cannot cover in 2 weeks. I am repeatedly saying so. Right now we are running a 2 weeks program. You cannot learn. It's a rather difficult process. So want to be very, very honest. I've been very honest all my life and want to be very clear. In 2 weeks it's not possible. So do not come only with that intention that something that there is a software or something like that. It's not. It's a lot of hard work that goes into it. Yes, in my opinion, first you should learn to use the information for your benefit. This is more important, which we teach in detail how you can benefit. So if you'd like to be a part, there's no compulsion on anyone. It's handy. It's very useful because you can get benefit maximum, like from learning the art of how to invest better. If you don't get hung up only on these how I do or how whoever does, that's not the key area. Technicals work very little, so don't waste time only on Fibonacci's and Elliott waves and whatever and all that. There is a lot of combinations of things. But again, humbly thanks everyone. We had a great week, good predictions. Major sell-off we could predict only with blessings of people in this subscribing to my channel. And what I could see positive I've mentioned. Rest we will be also discussing, but this I could see clearly. Don't go all the way out. You may only observe because it comes on the back of a major sell-off. So this is not a time to go out of the way, but definitely be cautious. And this is the area pocket of positivity I have given you. And we look forward to talking with you soon again. So happy investing to all of you all, and take care very much. My WhatsApp number, by the way, is 982-086-1044. Again, it is 982-086-1044. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.